welcome back once again. This is on-chain mode. So in this guide, I'm going to be showing you just how to redeem your staked reward. So recently on Binance, I staked most of my tokens and I've withdrawn them. And right here, I noticed that a lot of persons are telling me that they don't know how to. They mistakenly staked their coins, their USDT, but they don't know how to redeem their staked coins. So that is why I'm doing this video just for you. But along the line, if you have any question that you don't understand, kindly leave it at the comment section. I'll reply as soon as possible. All right. So first of all, I want you to understand that here on Binance, you can stake your coins. If you know that you're not gonna be using your coin anytime soon, or you don't want to use your money, you can just take it there, support the blockchain, and as you are supporting the blockchain, you're gonna be earning some annual returns using the Binance. It's also available in other exchanges, but this video is just majorly for Binance users. Okay, now quickly, for you to be able to start staking, first of all, let me just show you how to start staking immediately. For you to start staking, using this feature, you have to use this section right here. Okay, first of all, you need to have some amount of either USDT or whatsoever cryptocurrency you have in your exchange. Then before you can now use this option, this earn option right here. So when you click on this earn section right here, and you can see all the available options, just scroll right down a little bit, you can see all the available option to start earning by just staking. You can stake Ethereum for 2 points, and your APR is 2.52%, while if you stake Solana, your APR is 5.21%. So you'll be getting 5.21% in each of your stake annually, right? Okay, so that's how you go about it. If you want to start staking, just click on this explore section right here for you to start staking, and then you click on subscribe button. All right, you click on subscribe button right here. Okay, then you can stake the available Solana that you have right in your wallet. All right, so this is just a quick guide on how to stake. Okay, but this is not what I want to show you right here in this video. Okay, so now let me go over and show you how to redeem your staked reward. Let's say, for instance, I staked some amount of token for like more than 4 to 5 months, and it has accumulated, and I want to redeem my reward. What I have to do is just to click right here in this particular section right here. Okay, and after clicking on it, you see this section. This is where all your staking can be redeemed. Okay, or if you don't want to access this, use this section right here, you can use this earn section at the top. You click on it. All right, and after clicking on it, now these are the various tokens, assets that I staked in the past, and they have accumulated. All right, they have accumulated so far, and so now I want to redeem. In case you want to redeem any of these tokens, let me say I want to redeem hamster, which is the first one. I'll click on hamster, and then I'll click on this redeem right here. Okay, you click on this redeem right here, and then you select the coin that you want to redeem. Is it this hamster you want to redeem? So you click on this one right here, and then you click on agree right here, and then you go ahead and click on confirm redemption. All right, so as soon as you click on that confirm redemption, you can see here now that all my coins have been sent to my spot wallet. This spot wallet is a place that all your coins are always deposited. All right, in case you want to, let's say you want to start buying and selling or whatsoever, all your coins are going to be deposited in your spot wallet section. All right, so now all my earnings from my stake reward using the hamster has been redeemed. So I have claimed them and they are available in my wallet. Okay, so now you can go to earn wallet to view your earnings, to view all your money. Now if you come right here, you can now see that the hamster is no more right there. I have redeemed every of my token. All right, I have redeemed every of my token. Okay, so now if you click on this spot right here now. Okay, if you click on this spot right here, now you can now see what I have in my Binance. Initially I had 900 hamster token in my Binance account, but currently you can see it has increased to 1,299.11 hamster token. All right, so this is just basically how to claim your staked reward on Binance. If this video was very helpful, don't forget to like, share to your loved ones, because sharing is caring. See you in the next video.